I like this song. This song really resonates with me. I'm happy. I'm absolutely thrilled. I don't know. To be honest, I'm not quite sure. The food is good. The cuisine here is exceptional. I'm tired. I'm feeling utterly exhausted. The book is interesting. This novel is absolutely captivating. She's my friend. She's a very close acquaintance of mine. The movie is funny. This film has a great comedic value. I need help. I could really use some assistance. The city is big. This metropolis is vast and sprawling. I love reading. I have a deep passion for literature. He's my brother. He's my sibling, and we're very close. The music is loud. The acoustics in here are overwhelming. I'm going home. I'm heading back to my place. The weather is cold. The climate here is quite frigid. I'm not sure. I have my reservations about that. The hotel is nice. This hotel has a certain charm to it. She's very smart. She's incredibly intelligent and insightful. I don't understand. I'm having a bit of trouble grasping that concept. The beach is beautiful. The coastline here is stunningly picturesque. I'm excited. I'm thoroughly looking forward to it. The restaurant is expensive. This eatery is a bit on the pricey side. He's a good person. He's a man of great character and integrity. I'm feeling sad. I'm experiencing a bit of a melancholy mood. The park is peaceful. This green space has a very serene atmosphere.